is hump day, Wednesday. We loaded up everything. Was able to get some more pecans today. And peanuts yesterday. And it's cold, so we're trying to take care of the squirrels until we get our next donation. Hopefully sometime this month. Oh, who's that down there? They start coming up to me. Hey, who's that? Sweet Pea? Yeah, here you go. Here you go, baby. Here you go. Here you go. Gonna eat it right there. You gotta go higher. They're starting to come over now. I loaded up the areas with about a half pound of peanuts and a half pound of pecans. Oh, a pound of pecans, more. Yeah, probably about half a bag with 2 pound bag. A pound of pecans and a half pound of peanuts. And we left some here at the door. Oh, we're gonna be fighting. What are you guys doing? Don't be fighting. Plenty of food. Come on, guys. We've had a pretty cold week. It's been in the low 20s every day this week so far. Highs around 40 to lower 50s. Today was probably one of the warmer days. I think it got up to 53 or 54. But it's supposed to go down to 23 by early morning. My wife worries about the squirrels. I mean, I do too, but I know they got fur coats, their hearts beat faster. They do better in the cold than, say, you or me, for sure. I mean, I see that with my alley cats. I mean, they survive every winter, no matter how bad it is, and they're outside. These animals were built for the outside. I mean, my wife would like to take them all inside and put them all in the house, but that would be quite the challenge. Oh, somebody's barking up a storm over here. It's okay. Uh-oh. These warnings. Somebody flying overhead. You going up. Starting to bark over here now. They're all barking. What's up? What's up, baby? He's barking. Something on the ground? What's the matter, baby? Oh, he's got that tail going. What's up? Is there something on the ground? He's looking down at me. What's the matter? Huh? What's the matter? What do you see? What do you see, little buddy? Let me take a look down. I don't know. Maybe a snake. Maybe a snake coming up on me. Let me see if something's on the roof. What is it, guys? I don't see anything on the roof. I don't see anything on the roof. Let me look over the fence. You can hear them all barking, huh? Anything back here? Cat? I don't see anything. What's the matter, guys? Let me go check it out. Alright, I'll come back. Let's see. Oh, walk through these leaves. Maybe a snake on the ground for all I know. What are you barking about? Better not be any damn snakes in it. Okay. What's up, guys? Alright, let's try out this square here. What do we got back here? Look at this. My wife made him a fort back here. Well, the squirrels don't stay in there. More like the rabbits. Look at them all barking. What's back here? What are you guys barking at? It's mostly over here. What are you guys barking at? What's the matter, guys? Oh, there's one coming down the tree right here. He's barking with a pecan in his mouth. What's the matter, buddy? What's the matter? Hmm? Could be anything. Could be a rabbit. They go crazy over a rabbit. This guy's on the ground right here, so it can't be anything on the ground, could it? What are you doing, little one? What are they barking at? It could be a hawk landing in the trees. Hmm? Come out. What's up? That's a weird bark. Who's barking? That's a weird bark. I don't see anything. I was gonna get attacked by a Bigfoot or something. What you guys barking about? Better not be anything over there. I don't see anything. I don't see anything, guys. Probably a snake or, well, I'm guessing a hawk or a rabbit. Alright, guys. Calm down. I don't see anything, guys. I don't see anything in the air either. Sometimes it could be a cat. I gotta walk back the way I can. There won't be any snakes in here, guys. I'll be mad as hell. It's all good, guys. It's all good. I don't see anything. You got plenty of food up there. You still up there barking? Where'd he go? Where you at? Oh, there he is. What you doing? What you barking at? Why are you barking? Poor baby. It's all right. What are you telling me? What you trying to tell me, little one? Be careful, buddy. Stay in the tree. The food will be here.